The big question you probably have is, how does the increase in threat level impact the daily life of you and your family? Well, our Maria Salazar joining us live now to explain that.
Hi, Rashi. Well, Judge Hidalgo did signal there would be some changes like capacity limits at public libraries and buildings like that. But the real impact, she says, is not so much the code red, but the toll that the spread of the Delta variant is having on city and county workers and staff at hospitals. And officials warn there could be some dire consequences.
And it's already happening. Our public hospitals have to take staff from our public clinics in order to support the strain in the emergency rooms.
Houston and Harris County leaders warn this could only be the beginning, as the Delta variant is overwhelming hospital staff. On Wednesday, Harris Health told Fox 26 they are closing 2 primary health clinics to move nurses to LBJ Hospital, where they had twice as many ICU patients as staffed beds. Then there's a concern about ambulances.
And as we started this conference at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the Houston Fire Department, which has 104 ambulances, 26 of them were in hospital emergency departments waiting to offload patients. 4 of them have been there for over 2 hours. An ambulance that's in the emergency department waiting to offload a patient is not available to take the next 911 call.
Dr. David Purse with the City of Houston believes the emergency response times will only get longer as hospitalizations show no signs of slowing down. And city workers are also getting sick.
At the close of business yesterday, August 4th, 2021, yesterday, the City of Houston municipal workers, we had 89 positive cases throughout the municipal workforce. To give you some idea, just a week and a half ago, that number was 40.
3 of those workers, he says, are hospitalized. There are also 68 Houston police officers and 40 firefighters who are sick. Judge Lina Hidalgo also mentions changes to capacity limits at libraries, multi-service centers, and other county buildings, although what they will be is still unclear. As for other services and departments, Metro tells Fox 26 it will continue to operate as it has throughout the pandemic. And the Harris County Department of Education says it will have lower student-teacher ratios in its Head Start programs and will continue adult GED and ESL classes virtually. And Judge Hidalgo also says that she expects the backlog at courts to just get even longer. I also reached out to businesses that many of us frequent, like Kroger and HEB, to see if the increase in threat level is going to prompt them to make any changes. I did not hear back from Kroger, but HEB says nothing has changed regarding mask and store capacity limits at this time. Maria Salazar, Fox 26 News.